How to find a user ID in Telegram. So to find a user ID, all you have to do is open up your Telegram app. And after opening Telegram, on the upper right corner, you will have a search option. Tap on search, and then on the search bar, search for user info bot. And then you will have options, and tap on the first option. And here it says that you have to forward a message to me and I will send you the user ID. So tap on start, which is on the bottom side, and here you will have your information, your username. So that's it guys, that's how you find the user ID in Telegram. And if you want to find your friend's user ID, then you can simply forward your friend's message and it will send you the user ID of your friend. And that's it. It was that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.